Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your baby gear rental service businesses. For example, you are running a baby gear rental service in which you can provide different facilities to your customers such as equipments or the delivery timelines as well as privacy and safety you are providing to your customer. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow so that whenever user or a customer send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your baby gear rental service businesses, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of baby gear rental services. Here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Baby Gear Rental Service. We are here to make parenting easier. Whether you need gear for a family trip, special events or daily use, we have got you covered. Here it will also providing me 3 different options such as equipment booking, delivery timelines and product safety. If I'll click on equipment bookings, then you can see it will provide me the equipments that are available in baby gear rental service. If I'll click on book now, then it will providing me the booking confirmation message. If I'll click on delivery timelines, then you can see it will provide me all the details regarding the delivery timelines at baby gear rental services. So basically this is how our chatbot will work and it will respond to your customer instantly. You can create this type of chatbot without requiring any coding or programming skills. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now let's get started. At first you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for our different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go on the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credit allotted, your credit consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. While clicking on this, it will provide you 2 options. The one is WhatsApp Connect and the second is Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you will click on this, then it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developers. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we will create a separate video for this. I provide the link of that video in the description box. Here you can also create multiple folders. In this section, you can see the active and the inactive status of your WhatsApp number added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond them here also. You don't have to open a WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contacts in which you can list of your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your chatbots or messages. And you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used to send bulk messages to many users at once. It is in using approved template. It is useful for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer product, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in which you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions or solve problems. Here we will also provide one video of how to use AI assistant. The ninth one is the settings, where you can manage your accounts, team members, integration, API keys, etc. The 10th one is the get help, in where you can tell us about your problem and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, it will create it with the help of Pabbly Flow Builder. So I'll click on the flow. Here you can see this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses with the help of Flow Builder. Here you can also see the total number of flows you are created, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot for our app development studio, so I'll click on this button plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of our flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our baby gear rental service businesses, so here I am providing a name. Here I provided the name. After that, let me give you a quick review about these two options. The one is messages and the another is action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button you can update your flow. So let's get started. There are three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expected that my user sent to me. The second one is the regex. Regex can identify specific type of user messages and it can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. Regex stands for regular expression. And the third one is choose template, in which you can create different type of template and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to any message that your customer sends to your WhatsApp business account. Now I am writing one welcome message for my customer that my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one text button. Drag this message box here and entering the welcome message for my customer. Here I write it. After that, now I am providing some options to my customer by clicking on this plus add button. See, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first option as equipment booking. The second option I'll take as delivery timelines. And the third option I'll take as product safety. Now I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my customer by clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle so that the starting point of my flow is connected to my message. Now in the next step, when my customer click on this button equipment booking, then my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one media button. Drag this message box here, select the media type as image. Here I am uploading one image of baby crib. By clicking on this button, select the image. Here you can see the image is uploaded. Now I am entering one caption about this baby crib. Here I write it. After that, here I am providing one button for my customer such as book now button. Here I provided. Now I connect the circle which are present in front of equipment booking to the message where I wrote the details regarding the equipment that are available in my baby gear rental service businesses. Now the next button is delivery timelines. If my customer wants to know more details about the delivery timelines of the equipments, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one text button. Drag this message box here and writing the delivery timelines of my baby gear rental service business. And writing the delivery timelines that are providing in my baby gear rental service businesses. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of delivery timelines to the message where I wrote the details regarding the delivery process in my baby gear rental services. Now if my customer wants to know about the product safety of my equipments, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and write the product and safety details that are there in the equipments of my baby gear rental service. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of product safety to the message where I wrote the details about the product safety. Now, if my customer wants to book this baby crib, then my bot will send them a booking confirmation message. For this, here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and writing the booking confirmation details of this baby crib. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of book now to the message where I wrote the details about the booking confirmation of this baby crib. So our flow is completed. After that, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated successfully. Now I'll show you how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of baby gear rental service. Here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Baby Gear Rental Services. We are here to make parenting easier while providing me 3 options such as equipment booking, delivery timelines and product safety that we were written here. See, equipment booking, delivery timelines and product safety. Here, if I'll click on equipment booking, then it will provide me an equipment such as baby crib. If I'll click on book now, see, it will respond to me booking confirmed. If I'll click on product and safety, then this bot will provide me all the details regarding the safety that are providing by baby gear rental service. So basically this is how our chatbot will created and it will respond to our customer instantly. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about the Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.